How to connect Discord to Patreon. If you want to connect Discord to Patreon or vice versa, it is very simple to do so. First, open your browser and go to patreon.com and log into your Patreon account. Once you're logged in, towards the left hand side you can see various options. You want to go to the one that says settings over here, and from settings you can see all this drop down menu. From the top right you can select more, and from the more option you can select the option called connected apps. So click on connected apps. Under it you can see the option called Discord. Now you can click on access Discord roles from your creators. Now once you select Discord, you'll find the option to connect it. So simply click the connect button here. It will open up a pop-up window over here where you have to simply link your Discord account. So if you're asked to sign in, of course you go ahead and then sign in, and you want to click on this option called authorize, and you'll be able to connect your Patreon to Discord. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.